That's the rain on. Snowing. That back window's been alright. I put a new boot seal on this and with a bit of luck it'll still stay dry, but the cab's been dry. So I'm wondering if all the water's been coming in the boot and then leaking in to the back bulkhead. So lots of flooding here. It's supposed to be snow but it's kind of sleety stuff. So we'll go over to the MG and see if the MG's dry. And the MG's dry. The windows are all still good. This is the strange thing here. We've got to get the So, taking the Daimler home, I've got the back seat all built up. That's wee bits of snow coming now. Lovely sounding V8, but it's very, very low on power. Fancy thing there is. Like an old ambulance or something. Didn't even look. Didn't even look. This is what we're dealing with today. Driving wagons in this is alright because the heaters are good in them and you can also get the night heater. I don't fancy the modern ones with the mirrors that have been replaced with cameras like that thing there. That's danger. You don't get a proper view of what's going on. You've got to get out and look in reverse. So what's it going to be like in the open road? Pure snow. Yeah, put it into D2, it's fluffing a bit. Cold. Horrible day. I'm going to take the missus for her new teeth. She might feature in some new videos when she gets them working. Or she could end up getting a job like Camel Hydra in Al Jazeera, selling 4 sapphires.